we will ever need. This stuff is pretty hard to, it keeps getting bought up. So I was only able to get 1 or 2 at a time. So this is the last of it from the store.
Nice. Good thinking, honey. Ultra Bond. Eco 977. I don't know if I want to carry this. It looks pretty heavy. Yeah.
I get it.
I carry people all day, so.
You don't need to worry about it.
Thank you.
These aren't people, though.
That's what I love about you. You don't make me carry heavy stuff.
Okay, so what'd you do?
A lot. I laid all this flooring.
She's been busy. Put a piece of trim up, temped it up, just to see. See that, Anna?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna fade soon.
Careful. We've made a huge mess. This glue sucks. You need to stay off. I'll carry you.
I'm just gonna crawl.
I'm in a weird spot. Got the runniest nose of all time. Oh, so annoying.
Oh really? You think that's running? Just kidding. It's like a contest. Oh, well, I once had the runniest nose. It outran like 5 of my best friends. And yep. 1 extra point for me. Here, take a bite of your sandwich, honey. Take a bite.
I need some water.
Okay, I'll get some more too. Couple pieces left.
Okay, the wall tightens up, so that's good. 8. a barbarian.
I know. Alright, let's see how it works.
Well, I think it'll work.
I'm sure your back hurts.
It does actually, I think, for dancing. So that is perfect.
Nice, babe.
Okay, so last piece, baby.
I know, that's exciting.
So 59 1/4 by 4 1/2 and 4 1/4.
Last piece, you guys, for the day. Wish I was saying last piece for the whole house, but I'm not. Just this room. Still, a win is a win. Big or small. They all add up. It's a pretty small room. I was trying to get out of the shop, but